Hello, welcome to this fifth video on quadratic equation. In this video, we are going to solve practice set 2.2 where we have to solve the given quadratic equation by factorization method. In previous video, we have learned how to solve given quadratic equation by this method. Let's see how to do this. Okay, now first, what is the given quadratic equation? Is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Highest power is 2 of the variable x is equal to 0. Now if we compare with the x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, value of a is 1. When value of a is 1 and value of c is what? 54. So actually we should consider the product of AC, and here the product of AC is 1 into 54, that is 54. Now what is the sign of 54? That is plus 1 and plus 54, it is sign of 54 is plus 54. Now we have to factorize this 54 in such a way that addition of the factors should be equal to 15. Okay. So what are these factors of 54? So if you start with 54 ones are, so 1 into 54, this is first factor of 54. What is 2, how many is that? 2 27s or 27 2s are 54. We want the addition to be 15. It is not 15. Okay. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3 because 5 plus 4 is 9. So if I divide this 54 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 remains, 24, 3 8s are 24. So 18 3s are 54. What is the addition? 18 plus 3, 21. We want the addition to be 15. Let's see if it is divisible by 4. 54, if I divided by 2, I get 27. 27 is not further divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 4. It last is 4, so it is not divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 6? In table of 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 48, 6 8s are 54. 6 9s are 54, sorry. So 6 9s are 54. So 6 9s are 54. These are the factors. And what is this addition of 6 and 9? Is it 15? Yes, it is 15. So the factors of 54 should be 6 and 9 because the sum, this addition is 6 plus 9 is 15. Now what is the sign of this 15? It is minus. So this minus sign should be given to both. When both signs are same, either both plus we get product plus or both minus, then we get product plus. So this product is going to be plus 54 and the addition is going to be minus 50. So we have decided our factors of this should be minus 9 and minus 6 and minus 9. So let's write, this is our rough work, students. So if when we write x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0, we should write this factors x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equal to 0. Taking the groups of this first and second, this one. So taking x common from here, we get x and remaining is minus 6. X square here at x and x is here remaining uncommon. X common minus 6 is uncommon. Now use the trick given in my previous video. If you are not that watch the previous video. I will give you its link in the description box. Now write x minus 6 same and see the third term. It is minus 9x. Out of this minus x we have taken x here. Remaining is minus 9 and write is equal to 0. You have got your common terms. Now from these two brackets we got x minus 6 and another bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. So this we have got factors of given trinomial in the left side. Okay. Now if the product of this 2 is 0, we have to write after this x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Either this should be 0 or this should be 0. Then only this product is going to be 0. So if this x minus 6 is 0, what is value of x? So x is going to be 0 plus 6, that is 6, or x is equal to 0 plus 9 is going to be 9. Minus going on that side becomes plus. If it is plus on left side, it becomes minus. So from this you will write your answer that 6 and 9 are the roots or solution of given equation. So here you are using the term or, but here you should write 6 and 9. Both are the solutions of given quadratic equation or given equation, or you can copy the equation. So this way you have to solve. So this is the method we have to solve. Let's solve some more questions from this practice set. What is the second question? Second question, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Let me do the work here. Minus 20. Copy this minus 20. Value of a is again 1. Concentrate on the value of c. Now factors of 20 should be such that its subtraction should be equal to the middle b term. Value of b is what? Nothing, means 1. So factors of 20, either it can be 20 ones are 20. Is it subtraction 1? No. Then 10 twos are 20. Is that subtraction 10 and 2 1? No. Then it can be 4 fives are 20 or 5 fours are 20. This subtraction 5 minus 4 is 1. So select 4 fives are or 5 fours are 20. Where the subtraction of factors, because of this sign, subtraction of factors is 1. Now what is the sign of this 1? It is plus. Give this plus sign to the greater factor. Okay. So the greater factor is plus, it should be 5, and its opposite, that is minus, to the other. So these factors we got where the product is minus 20 and sum is plus 1. Now copy these factors like x square plus 5. Don't write only plus 5 and minus 4. This is wrong. You should attach your variable with this. Plus 5x and minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now taking common from these two groups, x is going to be common here. Remaining is x plus 5. Copy the same bracket here, x plus 5. X is taken. Remaining is minus 4. You can verify by taking the product of this. Minus 4 into plus 5 going to be minus 20. If your product of these two is equal to this, then it is sure that you are on the right track. Okay, is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 5 is common factor. Remaining uncommon is x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we got these two factors. So we have factorized the given quadratic trinomial on the left side. Now product of these two is 0. Therefore, either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. And if this is 0, then x is going to be plus 5 will go on the other side. It will become minus 5, or x is equal to minus 4 on going on the side. It is plus 4. As right side we have 0, it has no impact on this transpose. So your answer will be, solution or answer minus 5 and 4 are the solutions of given quadratic equation. You have to write like this. Let's take this third sum now. Now here, what is the difference between first, second and third? If you observe this given equation, it is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation is in variable y, but the value of a is 2. It is not 1. When the value of a is not 1, other than 1, you have to take the factors of not only this, but you have to take the factors of a into c. Now you have to multiply this 2 into 13. Both are plus, so 13 2s are 26. So you have to take factors of 26 product of this such that sign is positive. Addition of this factor should be equal to 27. Now what are the factors of 26? Either you start with always ones are. 26 ones are 26. Okay. If addition, check the addition. If 26 and plus 1, you get 27. Yes. So you got your factors, no need go for the another. Otherwise you have this option also. So the options are 26, ones are 26. Addition of this is, we got it is 27. Now what is the sign of the 27? Plus. Give it to both factors. Plus 26 plus 1. So the product of this is plus 26 and sum of this is plus 27. So this was important change in this first two and this sum over here. Now other things are same. Now we will copy this 2y square as it is. Now this plus 27y will split as plus 26y plus 1y. We don't write 1y. we have to write only y over here. This is splitting of this term, and plus 13 as it is equal to 0. Now while taking common from these two, and then after this, here we don't get only y common or variable common. Here there is a number, so you might get number also common. Might, not always. Now 2 and 26, if we compare, yes, 2 is divisible to both. So we're taking 2 common as well as y. What remains uncommon? 2y, we have taken 1 extra y is there because it's y squared. Plus 2, how many is at 26? It is 2 13s or 13 2s are 26. Already we have y. So this is common 2y from these two and uncommon here. Now use the trick, copy the same bracket, y plus 30. Now from this third term, y, we have taken y. Nothing is remaining. Means what? Here the sign is plus and we know here the number is 1, which we can write over here. Now check your multiplication. 13 ones are 13. Yes, you are correct. And now write is equal to 0. So you get the factors that y plus 13, one bracket, another bracket is 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now product of these two is 0, so we are going to follow the same steps which we have done over here. So it is either y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to plus 13 going on the other side, it becomes minus 30, or 2y is equal to minus 1. Hence, y is equal to 2 will go here. Multiplication 2 as division 2. So, it is minus 1 upon 2. So, we got these two answers. So, you can write your answer or solution. Minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots or solution of given equation. We will solve the remaining sums from the practice set 2.2 in the next video. Thank you.